In this video I am going to show you how you can remove background of image. So let me download image. I am downloading WhatsApp logo. You have to download image. So let me download this icon. So after that, in few minutes your logo has been downloaded. After that, click on three dots. Here you have to type bg remover. Open first link. Then after that you have to upload the image. I am uploading WhatsApp logo. Then in few minutes you can see your background has removed. Now I am download. Then now I will check background has removed or not. So let's check it. So here you can see background has removed. In this way you can remove background of any image. Hope so you like the video. If you like the video, then share with your friends.